Hey guys, so this is how you're going to set up your payout account on Instagram. So first is you're going to switch to a professional account if you haven't already. Then you're going to go to your profile from the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you're going to tap the menu at the top right, and then you're going to open the professional dashboard. So you can see this under the section for professionals, and then you're going to click on create tools and controls. And then from here, you would usually see the payout option or the setup payout. But since I have already done that, I might not be able to see it anymore. But Instagram will ask you for your business information, including your name, address, and type of account. Then you're going to have to add your bank account details so Instagram can send you payments directly. Just make sure the account name matches the name on your tax information. Finally, you're going to confirm everything and complete the setup. You will now be able to receive payouts whenever you earn through Instagram features like bonuses or monetization. One thing to take note though is you have to be able to be eligible in the monetization program. So in order for you to see that, you're going to go to the monetization status and see if you are approved or if you're able to monetize. If this is not approved or if you're not able to monetize, then you cannot set up your payout account. And that's it. That is how you're going to set up payout account on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.